Okay, so the topic we are starting is electrical energy. Recently we have done a topic electrical power. So what was electrical power? Electrical power was basically the rate of consumption of energy by an electrical appliance is called the electrical power of that appliance. So whenever we talk about electrical energy, that means we are talking about the electrical energy and this energy is consumed by the appliance. Okay? So how can we define this electrical energy? Like electrical power, we define the rate of doing work or the work done per unit time or the rate of consumption of energy. So this electrical energy we can define in different ways. I tell you two simple definitions. First one is the work done by current in an appliance or you can say the work done by current in an appliance. What is the appliance? In a place of appliance you can say or agent. What was the agent? Example, bulb. Yes, bulb, it may be LED. And we have one more definition of electrical energy. The energy consumed, or which energy is consumed? The electrical energy consumed by an electrical appliance is defined as the product of, is defined as the product of power rating of appliance and the time for which it is used. Now I explain you the meaning of these both the definitions, and this is a technical definition. The work done by current in an appliance or agent is called the electrical energy consumed by that appliance. Now this is the mathematical definition, you can say, or this is the mathematical method to define electrical energy. How? The energy consumed. So we already know what is electrical energy. Electrical energy is a form of energy that is consumed or that is required to run all the electrical or electronic appliances. So here, what is electrical energy? How we will define? The energy consumed by an electrical appliance is defined as the product of power rating of appliance and the time for which it is used. What it means? Energy consumed ultimately, energy consumed means which energy I am talking about? Energy consumed, E is always equal to power. Which power? Power rating, P into time. Now I explain you the meaning of these terms. Who consume this energy? Electrical energy consumed by appliance power rating. Whose power rating? Power rating of appliance and into time. Which time it is? The time for which the appliance is used. So that's a formula of electrical energy consumption, or you can simply say that energy consumed. In short, we write this way: energy equal to power into time. Now let's come to the unit. What is the unit of electrical energy? Look here. The unit is, what is the unit of power that we have recently discussed? The unit of power was, yes, watt. And what is the unit of time? Second. So what is the unit? What second is called? That is called? Yes, joule. You are right. So these both unit we can use. So this is all about your electrical energy. Now I will discuss the numericals. In this example, what is asked? An AC of power rating 1.5 kilowatt is used 10 hours. Calculate the energy consumed by the AC in commercial unit and SI unit. So you should know how to find out the energy consumption. So which method we will use? This formula we can use to find out the energy consumption. Now second thing, we should know what is the commercial unit of energy, and SI unit we already know. So how to approach in this question that I tell you? What is the formula of energy consumption? Since directly we will write, no language is required. Energy equal to power into time. That's a formula that we know. What is the power given? 1.5 kilowatt. Okay. And for what time this is used? Beta, what time this AC is used?
10 hours.
10 hours. So now what would be the answer?
So 54,000 kilojoule.
15 1.5 10 या 15 kilowatt hour. Listen, this is kilowatt and this hour is also I have written. You should know 1 kilowatt hour is called 1 unit. Energy E equal to 15 units.
So it is not right answer in joule.
I am coming. 15 units means what? 1 kilowatt hour means 1 unit and 15 kilowatt hour means 15 units. So what is this? Energy. How much energy? Energy equal to 15 units. That's the, we can write here, this is the energy in, or which energy is this? This is the energy consumed
By AC.
in commercial units. I tell you the meaning of commercial unit. Commercial units means the unit in which something is sold or purchased. So electricity department sells us the electricity in units. So this way we can calculate. Now I am telling you how to find out the energy in SI unit. So you should know, you have to remember only one thing, that 1 kilowatt hour equal to how many joules? 3.6
into 10 to the
6 joules. Okay. So if you know your answer, if you know the answer in units or in kilowatt hour, then easily you can change this into SI unit. So 15 units were consumed. Now in place of kilowatt hour, what you can write? 15 is SH, or in place of kilowatt hour or units, what you can write? 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. Okay. Now in place of units, what I placed? This. 15 is SH, in place of unit or in place of kilowatt hour, 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules is written. Now what this would become? 3.6 and 15. When you will multiply, what you will get?
54.
How much?
5.4 into 10 to the 6.
5 point
So 5. No, 54.
54 into 10 to the power 6 joules.
6. Sir, my answer was
Yes. So that's a technique to find out the answer, or the in commercial units and then SI unit.